Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video will focus on adding and subtracting decimals. So you want to remember that anytime you add and subtract decimals, you want to line up your decimals. So you're not subtracting digits, it's more about place value. All right, so let's get started so you can see what I'm talking about. Tanner bought a sandwich for $6.45 and a drink for $2.75. He paid with a $20 bill. How much change did Tanner receive? So it's two-part question. So you want to add the sandwich and the drink. And like I said, we're going to line up decimals. 5 plus 5 is 10. We always want to start from the right. And then 7 plus 4 plus 1 will give you 12. And so now you have $9.20. But the question didn't ask the total. It asked for the change. So add a decimal and 2 zeros. Because you don't have to add the 2 zeros. So now 0 take away 0 is 0. Now here you're going to regroup. And then this will become 19. And now it's 10 minus 2 because you can't take 2 from 0. So we regrouped, and now you have 19 minus 9, which will give you 10. So the answer is $10.80. All right, for this one, it says Riley poured 12.5 pounds or 12 5/10 pounds of flour into a container. She used 4 75/100 pounds for bread and 3 6/10 pounds for cookies. How many pounds of flour remain? All right, so she started with 12.5 pounds. We don't need that yet. Now then she used 4 75/100 pounds or 4.75 pounds of bread and 3 6/10 pounds for cookies or 3.6. So we're going to add up what she used. I'm going to add a 0 for a placeholder. It's not necessary, but it does keep it organized. This is 13. So now it's 8 35/100 or 8.35. But now we have to find the difference because it said how much remain, which lets you know this is a subtraction problem. So you can't take 5 from 0. So we'll regroup. Now you have 4 minus 3 is 1. And then this is 4. So it would be 4 15/100 or 4.15 pounds of flour that remain. All right, for the last one, it says Layla is saving for a new bike. Cost $150. She already saved $78.35, and Charlie gave her $20 for her birthday. How much more money does Layla need to save to reach her goal? So she's going to use the money that Charlie gave her and then the money that she saved, add those together, and then we're going to figure out what she still needs to save. So we'll start off by adding those. Like I said, you don't have to add the zeros. I just think it's helpful. Keep you organized. Now it's $98.35. So we want to get to 150. So if you think about it, $98.35 is close to 100, and then 100 to 150 is 50, and then you would still need to get to 100, which is $1.65. But I'll go ahead and show it all out, just kind of looking at it like that. And that's probably too much for a video, just thinking about some of the things we've done in class. Now 9 minus 3 is 6, and then I regrouped, and now I'm 9 minus 8 is 1, and then 9 to 14 will give me 5. So my answer is $51.65. So I hope this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.